Starting a craft paper scraps business can be a profitable and eco-friendly venture, especially if you cater to the growing demand for recycled and handmade paper products. Here's a breakdown of the business. 1. Understanding the business. Craft paper scraps can be sourced from printing presses, packaging companies, schools, and offices, and then repurposed into useful products such as handmade paper, scrapbooking kits, DIY craft supplies, greeting cards, gift tags, and envelopes, paper-based home decor. 2 business opportunities. Retail sales, sell craft paper scraps in bulk to artists, schools, or hobbyists. Etsy and online stores. Create unique handmade paper products and sell them online. Wholesale Supply. Partner with stationery shops and craft supply stores. Workshops and DIY kits. Teach paper recycling and crafting skills. 3. Sourcing raw materials. Collect paper scraps from print shops, packaging companies, or offices. Buy from paper mills that discard excess or misprinted sheets. 4. Processing and repurposing. Sorting. Separate usable paper scraps by size, color, and texture. Cutting and bundling. Trim scraps into standard sizes for easy resale. Recycling. Convert waste paper into handmade sheets. Printing and designing. Create decorative or patterned craft paper. 5. Equipment and investment. Basic tools, scissors, cutters, paper trimmers, binding tools. Recycling setup. Pulping machine, screens, drying racks for making handmade paper. Packaging, eco-friendly wrapping, branding labels. Online store setup, website, social media pages, payment gateway. 6. Marketing and sales. Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and eBay for selling paper scrap packs. Social media platforms. Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook for showcasing DIY ideas. B2B partnerships with stationery stores and schools. 7. Sustainability and branding. Promote the business as eco-friendly and zero waste. Offer customizations for wedding invitations, corporate gifting, and events. Highlight handmade and recycled paper benefits in marketing. 8. Challenges and solutions. Conclusion. A craft paper scraps business is a great opportunity, especially with rising awareness of sustainability and handmade products. With creativity, low investment, you can turn paper waste into a profitable and meaningful business. And smart marketing. Use old newspapers, magazines, and recycled cardboard. Craft fairs and art exhibitions to connect with customers.